What is going on, guys? Welcome to Sam610. So in this video I want to talk about these lights right behind me. So I thought I would do something different and try a cheaper way of getting some kind of cool light in the background in my videos. And as you guys can see, it's not 100% great, but I did with what I had, and I thought I'd give it a try to see how this was going to look. And I have to say, it doesn't look bad. Could it look better? I think so. I think what I might do is go on Amazon and order 2 more different lights to go on each side of the wall, on each side, to give it a little bit more of a glowing light, just to spruce up my videos a little bit. As you guys can see me, I have cinder blocks behind me which are plain and boring looking, so I want to try something completely different to change when I do a video like this, where I'm just talking on camera, whether I'm giving YouTube tips or any kind of motivation to get you guys to start creating. I thought this backdrop would be a little bit better than having nothing on just a cinder block wall. So I was at Walmart and I found these lights right here for about $9.98 or something like that. They were about $20 some for the 2, and I did get 2 of them, and they actually came with a remote. Each of them had a remote, but the good thing is that this remote can actually control both lights. So let's say I want to turn one off. It'll turn that one off, and it'll turn that one off eventually, right? So if I want to turn them back on, I just take the one remote, turn one on, turn the other one on. So I think what I'm going to do is I might keep these in my videos just for now, and like I said, maybe get 2 different lights, one for each side over here, maybe do like a pink or a red or something like that with the blue and the purple that is in the backdrop. And what I have is, on the other side of me, I actually have my bigger light that I use for most of my videos, but if I had it directly on me, you would see the shadows for the light, and you would actually see shadows on the wall of myself, like a silhouette. Anything that's behind me, you would actually see the shadows from that. So I actually have the light on, which is about 1100 watts or something like that, and I have it facing towards, maybe 3/4 towards the wall. Here, let me show you guys. So this is how I have it set up right now. I have the light facing towards that way, and please excuse the bad lighting on my video. This is actually the light that I'm using for this video. Just that and the light, 2 lights back here. So this is the Nikon A900, and everybody knows that this is terrible in low light situations. So I did the best with what I had, just to show you that you do not need a $1,000 camera to create a good video. I don't think this is going to turn out bad. Of course, I'm going to go back at the end of this video and do some color grading, so hopefully it looks a lot better than what it does right now. But I wanted to show you guys that the point of this video is that you don't need to spend a whole lot of money. Like I said, these 2 lights alone were under $10 each, so I spent about $20 or so for the 2 lights. And like I said, they both came with a remote each, but I lucked out and I was able to control both of them with just one remote. So I have a spare remote if anything goes bad, or if I want to use 2 remotes I can, but I don't think it's necessary. So in my next video, if I decide to get 2 more lights, I will do that as well. And these lights are actually just facing the wall to give this, projection, and it's not really that bright. They're not bright at all. Basically, these lights were made for people in their family room, and you want to have 2 lights shining on a white wall. It's going to project a lot better than what it is now. But you get the point, nothing fancy. It's, cheap, inexpensive, and like I showed you guys with my light pointing away and the 2 lights in the back, it looks a lot better than just having nothing at all. So hopefully you guys got some value in this video, just to show you that you don't need something expensive to create a YouTube video. So hopefully you found some value. If you found some value, please give me a thumbs up, and as always guys, later.